What we're going to do now is we're going to add a second track, because then that means we can layer up more than one rhythm. So we're going to add track here. We're going to do a voice/mic track. Usually the mic should default to what you had before, so you don't need to worry about this. It's just my setup. And then what I'm going to do is just make sure that this track is enabled. And then I am going to hit record again and record a new rhythm. And I'm going to hit stop. So as you can see, it's done my rhythm now. I'm going to do what I did before, click and drag so it's near the beginning, and then I'm going to click and drag so it's near the end as well. And now what I'm going to do is move this playhead to near the beginning, and I'm going to zoom right in. Can you see there that again this rhythm is out of time, isn't it? So I'm going to just drag that so it's in line again with the 2. And I'm going to zoom right in. The more you zoom in, you're going to see that some of mine will be out of time. It can tolerate a little bit of it because that's what makes it human. You don't ever play it perfectly in time like a robot. But at least then it is mainly in time. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this out at the end to 4. We want 2 bar patterns, don't we? So we've got bar 1 there, and then we've got bar 2, and we want it to last the entire amount because that means that if we end up looping this, it will continue to be the right length of time. Right, I'm going to put that over the top. Let's have a listen. Which is pretty great. You can kind of move it along. Let's try this. You can just take the metronome off like this. Okay, I might put that back there. Okay, you might think about layering and structure. So you might start with the first one, but then click and drag that to there and then loop it from there. So, and then maybe remove it again for the last 2. Let's have a look. There we go. And that's actually where panning can be quite nice, to be honest. So if we do drag it all the way to the left and maybe all the way to the right, it does a really nice, interesting effect where one is in one speaker and one is in the other. Or if you've got headphones on, it's even better. Can you hear how it's pinging around? Okay, and I'm going to stop it there. By the way, nice little shortcut there for starting and stopping is the spacebar. So there we go. So now you've recorded 2 tracks.